Hi, today we're gonna make something real simple. Garlic yu-choy. Yu-choy is one of the Chinese vegetable. They look like that. And first you have to trim them. Like most of the time you just take off the bottom leaves. Just take it off. Or sometimes just do a little bit of trimming, a little bit of the bottom area, just like that. Like that. So this, put it there, and the other thing, see, this is the bottom here. Here, it's a little top, see, and you take it off, or you can throw the whole thing away, or you can keep the green area to cook, something like that. And the other thing is okay, and you just trim a little bit on the bottom, just like that. Just trim it out. See, and that's it. And you're gonna do this one too. See, and trim the bottom one, and you want to keep the green, the upper part, and this one too. Keep the upper part, and this is the bottom piece, and near the top this. But you still can eat them, but I don't eat them, so that's why I'm taking that off. But the green one is okay. The green on top is okay. So you just do it like that. See, we use about a little bit over a pound here. You're using a little bit over a pound, and you can buy them like that in the store. Okay. Then now we have to put them in the boiling water to cook. And the water is ready here. So it's boiling. Little oil in it. A couple of tablespoons, and then let it boiling, and I like to put couple 2 tablespoons of sugar in it too. So after that, so we put them in the just soak it in there. Let it cook for a couple minutes. It's about 3 minutes right now. So you can see the water, that vegetable, they are deeper color. You can see them deeper color, or you can using a fork to punch in. See, they go through. See, here they go through. You can see them go through like that. You can see them go through. See, and that's okay. Then you pick it up. So after that, you turn it on medium heat. Don't turn it on high heat. Just low heat. 2-3 tablespoons of oil in it. And we are going to put the yu-choy on the plate. You just put it down there like that. And now we're gonna see they're hot. Okay, then start to heat it up. So we put the garlic, 3 tablespoons of chopped up garlic or sliced garlic. So. And make sure they're lower heat, so turn it lower. Wait until they are kind of brown up. Okay, we're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in there. Just like that. Yeah, and that's about right. So now we're gonna put the thing, turn on the heat, and we're gonna put it on the top. I'm gonna put little hot red pepper on top. Like that. Okay, this is garlic with yu-choy.